Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enroll for a subject as well as how to unenroll from a subject. So step number one, you have to log in your account, that is we have already discussed and you know very well. Now what you can do is, so once you log in you will have this welcome screen for your account, and scroll down throughout the page and find out your faculty and click here. So if you will redirect to another page. In this page you can search your subject with a subject name keyword, or else you can search the subject if it is listed out here. So I'm going to search my subject, so graphical design or something, so my subject keyword, and click and go. So this is the subject what I'm looking for. So first you have to confirm your subject name is okay and your subject teacher is okay. So everything is okay, just click the subject. So this is the full details of the relevant subject. So in this with this page you can easily enroll your subject either by clicking this button or else clicking this enroll me button. So I'm enrolling myself. So for this subject no enrollment key is required. In case if it is asking for the enrollment key, this key will be given by your subject lecturers or the VLE administrator. Don't worry about it. So this is the way of enrolling for a subject. Now you can confirm so whether you have enrolled for your subject or not. So go to your home page and see my courses is here. Just click this one. Yes, I have enrolled into my subject. You can just click and confirm it again if you want. So this is my subject relevant details. Now let's see how to enroll from, how to unenroll from a subject. Let's see. I have mistakenly enrolled for this subject. Now I want to unenroll from this subject. So what you can do is just click this subject. It will go to the subject page. Here you can find the setting button, action menu button. Just click this button and there's an option called unenroll me from ITZ 31012. So by clicking this button, it will asking for the confirmation message. Do you really want to unenroll from your course, graphical design application? If you are sure, then click continue. Now there's a message here, you can read it. You are unenrolled from the course graphical design application. Now you can confirm whether you have unenrolled or not. So here there is no option called my courses, which means you have successfully unenrolled from your subject. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.